Hello, and welcome to Matt Becker in Space. On today's episode of Matt Becker in Space, we're going to visit the dwarf planet Ceres. Ceres lies in the asteroid belt. In fact, it's the largest object in the asteroid belt and makes up most of the asteroid belt's mass. However, the size of Ceres is about, a quarter, maybe a third of the moon. Perhaps most interesting about Ceres is that of all the dwarf planets, it is the most spherical. Very few objects in the asteroid belt or in the Kuiper belt take on or have enough mass in order to create a sphere on all sides. So that's something special about Ceres. A spacecraft called Dawn visited Ceres in 2015. It's believed that Ceres has a solid rocky core and perhaps a layer of ice water. One of the most interesting finds from that mission was a giant white spot on Ceres. It was long debated what this spot might be. Some thought it was snow, and some people thought correctly that it was a sodium carbonate volcano. Basically, it's a salt mound. So that might tell you that there's some water activity happening beneath the surface. It's covered with a lot of craters. It has no atmosphere, so it's able to. Ceres was first discovered by a man named Giuseppe. Scientists at the time believed that there should be a planet where the asteroid belt is. This is based on these very harmonic ratios that extend outward from the sun. Based on the masses of the objects, we see a predictable pattern. So when Giuseppe discovered Ceres, they were like, aha, there's the planet that was supposed to be in that asteroid belt. But it was since then that they were able to spot more and more objects and discovered that it was a bunch of broken up rocks. Oftentimes in video games or in television, we imagine traveling through the asteroid belt and having to dodge a bunch of rocks. But in fact, despite the number of asteroids in the asteroid belt, they're very far apart. You would never even come close to colliding into one by accident. Though there is always the risk of small pieces of dust, which, can occur anywhere, so you never really know. And we gotta be careful. Well, damn, I think that's about all I know about Ceres. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please make sure like and subscribe, and check out these actual interesting and useful videos on Ceres. Make what I just said make a lot more sense.